Hi guys, welcome back to HomeLab Networks. My name is AJ, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install CASA OS in your home server. Now I'm going to be installing one on Proxmox, but if you want to, you can install Linux Debian on your machine and do it straight on bare metal. So the process is going to be the same on Proxmox as it would be doing it straight on your bare metal server. So first off, what we want to do is I'm going to create a new virtual machine, and I'm just going to name this CASA OS. Now I'm going to select the ISO image for our virtual machine and click next. And a lot of these virtual machines I just leave it default because I find it works for me. Now your storage, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to leave everything at default. I'll give it 2 cores. Memory, I'll leave it 2 gigabytes. Network, I'll just leave it default. Click finish. Now once our machine loads up over here, we're going to install live server. Now I use CASA OS to host my Minecraft server. It's just a very nice laid out GUI on your web browser, and it's full of all Docker containers. And within a few clicks, it's installed, and you can literally run anything on this OS. Right, so now we're going to select our language. Once English, keyboard layout, done. Install, yes, done. It's going to select our IP address. Done. Click done. And I'm going to select the entire disk here. This is where you can set up like your partitions and just customize your storage. So once you have customized your storage, click done, and continue. Select a username. I just keep mine all the same. For security purposes, I don't recommend doing that, but it's my home server, so no one's gonna hack it. Select a password to log into your server. Now this is the account you're going to use to SSH into the server. Skip Pro. Install Open SSH server. Yes, we want to, so spacebar. Done. Now within a few minutes, your live server will be installed. Now once your Linux server has installed, we're going to do a sudo apt update. And put in your password. Now this is going to update all our packages on our server, and it's just good practice to do so. Now as you can see here, it says 52 packages can be upgraded. So we're going to do a sudo apt upgrade. Make sure your spelling's correct. -y, and that's going to apply those updates to our server. Now once your server is up to date, just bear with me because we've still got a few command line things to type in, but we're nearly there. Once these commands are typed in, then we're going to have CASA OS installed in no time. First off, what we want to do, I've got the commands here on my other screen, which I'll have linked in the description, so if you want to, just copy and paste. But first off, what we want to do is do a sudo apt install curl. Now once curl is installed, we're going to do a curl command. So curl dash little f, little s, capital L, and https get.casa.os.io, and then a pipe, sudo bash. Now it's really important that you have the correct spaces when you're in the command line, otherwise it won't work. So once that is all typed out correctly, press enter. And welcome to CASA OS. Now this will take a little bit to install, so I'll see you guys once CASA OS is installed. Once you're at this screen here, that means CASA OS has been installed. And so we're going to go to this IP address right here. Keep that in mind, that IP address in. And that's going to take us to CASA OS. So we're going to create an account, log in. So pick a username. Pick a password. And then confirm that password. Click create. And now we have our own CASA OS account. So this is what it looks like. It shows you your CPU usage and your RAM that's in use. And it's just a very nice layout for your server. Now I do have this installed on a bare metal server in my rack because I just love the layout so much. And this is your files. And this is the App Store. And it's literally got all the apps that you could think of for your home server. Now I used to run a lot of these on Docker itself in a virtual machine, but now I will switch over to this and just literally run them, most of them off CASA OS. A lot of apps, and they're like Docker containers, and they take 2 seconds to install, like Home Assistant, Guacamole, Firefox. It's got a lot here. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this tutorial and how to, please don't forget to give it a like rating, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next homelab video. Thanks guys.